You've probably heard the expression, you know it when you see it. Well, that pertains to spotting dangerous drivers as well. So how do you spot dangerous drivers? First of all, excessive speeding. Have you been on the causeway going 65 or even 70 and someone just blew right past you? That person's probably a little overconfident in their driving abilities, and if something happens unexpectedly in front of them, they're going to be in trouble. The same is true with the opposite. People who drive way too slow below the speed limit. Now, they probably think they're being safe driving slow, but the opposite is true. Driving slow can actually cause more accidents. Another type of dangerous driver is someone who rides their brakes. So you know what I mean by that. You're driving behind somebody, and even though they're not turning left or right, you keep seeing their brake lights come on. They're probably very unsure about either where they're going or their driving ability. Another dangerous driver is someone who's not paying attention. A telltale sign is if you're at a red light and the person in front of you doesn't go when the light turns green or even a second afterwards. What's the worst is when it's a 2-lane road and the person next to them doesn't go either. So you have two people looking at their phones at the same time. Just be careful of that. Always get a kick on Highway 190 or wherever when a person is weaving through traffic like crazy only to stop at the red light in front of you. That person again is probably overconfident in their driving ability, and if something unpredictable happens, which it will, in front of them, they're going to cause a wreck. Ever see that bumper sticker? If you're close enough to see this, you're probably too close. That's a tailgater, and those people don't understand the 2 or 3 second rule, meaning that you should be about 2 or 3 seconds behind the vehicle in front of you. That's because a human reaction speed is about 1.5 seconds at fastest from noticing someone stopping in front of you to actually applying and stopping or pressing the brakes. So what are some steps to take if you spot one of these dangerous drivers? First, don't lose your cool. Road rage is a real thing, and if you find yourself getting frustrated, either give some space between you and the other driver, or even get on the side of the road and just wait a few minutes. Cool off, let the traffic and let all that situation go by, and then get back on. Nothing's important enough to go after them or have the serious road rage. Let that pass. Second, if you see one of these dangerous drivers, let some space go in between you. If a person's on your tail and it's hard to do, let them go around you, or if it's safe to do so, change lanes and let them go by you. Finally, if you see someone really being very dangerous and you suspect that they're intoxicated, call the police by all means and have them investigate it. So if you've been in an accident with a dangerous driver and have some questions about your insurance claim, give us a call at 985-590-6182.